we've all been waiting for. Got my 7till8 wetsuit today. Took about 6 weeks, a lot faster than I thought actually. Pretty small box, I thought it was gonna be a little bit bigger. I actually messed up my name on the order, thought that was kind of funny, but they assured me the name would be good on the suit itself, which is what matters, of course. So let's take a look here. Nice and simple tape, and then it's a folding box, it looks like. Okay. All right, so I had heard some people in the past had gotten hats and whatnot, but it appears that I just got some stickers, so let's see what we got here. We got one 7till8 black sticker and a white one. Pretty sweet. And here's the suit itself, and that's really it. Nice and simple packaging. They got this thank you wrap on it. Wetsuit care tips. Rinse in fresh water after use. Hang at the waist to dry. Keep out of direct sunlight. Okay, nice and simple. Origins. Reference to the glass off hour where the wind settles down. So it is the PM session that it does reference. Talks about the warranty, how to contact them. As long as it can be repaired, they'll fix it. Sweet. So let's check out the suit. Here she is. I got my small torso. Man, this thing looks way different from suits I've had in the past. And man, this neoprene feels great, let me tell you. Nice seam taping here. Smells very, very rubbery, but it's cool. Crack this bad boy open. I got the chest zip, true chest zip. Now one thing I have been wondering about is the key fob, because I forgot to ask how to store the key on these bad boys. Because that's a feature I've really come to like on my current suit from needessentials. Sweet, I mean this rubber feels awesome, I'm excited. Super cool. Dang, the head hole is tiny, dude. See if my big ass noggin can even get through this. Tight fit, dude. Oof. Yeah, that's a squeeze, all right, but sweet. Should be nice and tight. I think it's the glue that they use that I'm smelling. Definitely like a strong off-gas smell to this, for sure. But yeah, I really like the color. Excited to check this bad boy out. I've been freezing in the ocean recently. See you guys out on the waves. Let's give this bad boy on. There's a little bit of a fold when I bend here. I know that's not like a great fit there. Honestly, the neck feels really tight. But that's probably just a stretching thing. And hopefully it gets better over time. Arms feel pretty good. Top range of motion feels a little bit restricted, but not too bad. And then this whole, it just feels like the suit's kind of pulling down on me, but again, I think it's probably just got to get wet to really get the fit feeling how it should be. Yeah, the only thing I'm kind of not loving is it's really, it seems to be bunching up down here quite a bit. But other than that, pretty impressed. Like, arms are a nice length. The legs are a perfect length, which is awesome. And yeah, pretty excited overall. Did end up finding the key pocket. It's on the left knee. Seems like a good location, stoked on that. Just figured I would show everyone the stitching. Again, I've never used a full zip like this, like the horizontal zip. And it was really hard to get the zipper threaded. Hoping that just is like a skill thing and I get that figured out. But it took me like 4 or 5 tries to get that on. And again, the neck hole is so small. Getting it around the head was really hard. Yeah, here's the inside seaming. Oh, looks like good work here. We got these nice cuffs here. Pretty sweet. And yeah, excited to get this thing out on some waves. Super nice, guys, and hopefully it's warm in the water.
And here's a little footage of me out on the waves. Honestly, really liked the suit. Super warm, almost too toasty. I'm out at County Line in Malibu on the day all this footage was shot. One thing I really noticed was around the crotch area and the hips. I was noticing bunching when I was sitting on my board around my belly button area. And then just in general, my crotch area felt a little tight. I noticed kind of like a reverse wedgie, just like a fold happening by my butt area. Another complaint was around the neck. The neck felt really tight, and it sat higher than it has on previous suits. I don't know if previous suits haven't fit me well. This is how this one's supposed to fit and it's different or what. But again, really tight around the neck. Not unbearable, but a little bit uncomfortable. So I was a little bit disappointed by that. Overall, though, really liked the suit. It was great having my arms and legs be exactly the right fit as far as length. The suit was really comfortable. It was very easy to paddle. Overall, I'd recommend the suit, but I think I might have been missized. I actually went to 7till8 in Los Angeles to get sized, and I think the guy that sized me might have gotten the measurements a little bit off. Didn't account for my clothing that I was wearing at the time or something, but the suit doesn't feel like a perfect fit, and because of that, I'm a little bit disappointed. So I'd probably give this a B tier.